Lesson: Privacy and Data Protection in AI Systems. Privacy and data protection in AI systems represent critical components of ethical and responsible AI use, especially for professionals who are part of the Certified AI Workflow and Automation Specialist program. AI systems, by their nature, consume vast amounts of data to learn and make decisions. The prolific use of personal data in AI applications, ranging from medical diagnostics to financial forecasting, necessitates stringent privacy and data protection measures. Understanding how to implement these measures effectively is vital for ensuring trust and compliance with legal and ethical standards. Data protection in AI starts with understanding the principles of data minimization and purpose limitation. Data minimization involves collecting only the data necessary for a specific function, thereby reducing the risk of data breaches and privacy violations. Purpose limitation ensures that data is used solely for the tasks it was collected for, requiring explicit consent from users if further usage is necessary. These principles are foundational in frameworks such as the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe. GDPR emphasizes accountability and transparency, mandating that organizations not only comply with data protection requirements, but also demonstrate their compliance through detailed documentation of data processing activities. Practical tools and methodologies are essential for implementing these principles effectively. Data anonymization and pseudonymization are critical techniques used to protect personal information. Anonymization involves removing personally identifiable information from datasets, making it impossible to trace data back to an individual. Pseudonymization, on the other hand, replaces private identifiers with fake identifiers or pseudonyms, which can be reversed if necessary. These techniques are particularly useful in AI systems dealing with sensitive information, such as health data, where privacy is paramount. One actionable insight for AI professionals is to integrate privacy by design into their projects. Privacy by design is a proactive approach that embeds data protection into the development of AI systems from the outset, rather than as an afterthought. This involves conducting privacy impact assessments early in the project lifecycle to identify potential privacy risks and implementing measures to mitigate these risks. For example, a company developing a smart home device might conduct a PIA to evaluate how data collected by the device could be misused and take steps to encrypt data transmissions. In addition to privacy by design, AI professionals should employ robust data governance frameworks. These frameworks provide guidelines for managing data throughout its lifecycle, from collection and storage to processing and sharing. Data governance ensures that data handling practices comply with legal standards and align with organizational policies. The DAMA-DMBOK framework, for instance, offers comprehensive guidelines on data management, including data quality, data security, and data privacy. Implementing such a framework helps organizations maintain control over their data assets and protect against unauthorized access or misuse. AI systems must also be designed to ensure data security, protecting against unauthorized access and data breaches. Encryption is a fundamental tool for securing data both in transit and at rest. By encrypting data, organizations can ensure that even if data is intercepted or accessed without authorization, it remains unreadable and useless to unauthorized parties. Furthermore, access controls should be implemented to restrict data access to only those individuals who require it to perform their job functions. Role-based access control is a commonly used method, assigning access permissions based on the user's role within the organization, thereby limiting exposure to sensitive data. Real-world examples underscore the importance of these practices. The Cambridge Analytica scandal serves as a cautionary tale of what can happen when data protection measures are neglected. The political consulting firm was found to have harvested personal data from millions of Facebook users without their consent, using it to influence voter behavior. This breach of trust resulted in significant reputational and financial damage for both companies involved and highlighted the crucial need for stringent data protection measures. Moreover, AI systems should incorporate mechanisms for transparency and explainability. Users should be aware of what data is being collected, how it is being used, and why certain decisions are made by AI systems. This transparency is essential for building trust with users and ensuring accountability. Techniques such as model interpretability and explainable AI can assist in this regard, providing insights into how AI models arrive at their decisions and making them more understandable to non-experts. For instance, Lime is a tool that can explain individual predictions, offering users a clearer understanding of how inputs are transformed into outputs by AI systems. Continuous monitoring and auditing of AI systems are necessary to ensure ongoing compliance with privacy and data protection standards. Regular audits help identify vulnerabilities and areas for improvement, allowing organizations to adapt to changing legal requirements and technological advancements. Automated tools such as data protection impact assessment tools can facilitate this process, providing templates and checklists to streamline the assessment of data protection measures and ensure comprehensive evaluations. Training and awareness programs are also critical for fostering a culture of privacy and data protection within organizations. Employees at all levels should understand the importance of data protection and be equipped with the knowledge to implement best practices in their daily work. Regular training sessions and workshops can help keep staff informed about the latest developments in data protection laws and technologies, ensuring they remain vigilant and proactive in protecting personal information. In conclusion, privacy and data protection in AI systems are not just legal obligations, but essential components of ethical AI deployment. By integrating privacy by design, utilizing effective data governance frameworks, ensuring data security, promoting transparency, and conducting regular audits, AI professionals can build systems that respect user privacy and comply with legal standards. The actionable insights and practical tools discussed here provide a roadmap for addressing real-world challenges and enhancing proficiency in privacy and data protection. As AI continues to evolve, staying informed and proactive in implementing these measures will be crucial for maintaining trust and safeguarding personal data.